Hello everyone. Today we will explore career opportunities in IT. This presentation is perfect for students and career changers. IT offers a diverse path to grow in the digital world. So first slide is the skills gap. There is a growing demand in IT field. First point is skill shortage. 73% of organization lacks in IT talents. Second, hard to fill roles means cybersecurity in worldwide has 4 million vacancies globally. Third point is economic contribution. UK IT sector adds $150 billion yearly in IT field. And fourth point is emerging tech focus. The high demand in AI, cloud computing, and data science fields. These gaps are our opportunity to fill these roles and grow in that sector.
So we will get the deep dive into the IT sectors. So IT sector is divided into software, networking, and IT support, data analysis, cybersecurity, and etc. Even the CS and all comes under the IT. So we will in this slide we will discuss about the salary of the IT roles. So first is software development, which in the Europe the average salary of a person is £50, as well as the networking engineering. If you are doing, then it is a 40,000 pounds, and IT support 28,000 pounds, data analysis 45,000 pounds, and project management 55,000 pounds. Next slide please. And apart from that, it was the present situation, but as we are going in the future and AI is taking over, so there are also various salaries we can discuss, like entry level. If you are going in the entry base, like you are the beginner, then you can get almost 25 to 35,000 pounds according to your skills and projects and internships and all. And mid-level salaries after you gain the experience from entry level, and then you are going to the another level, that is the next step, then you will get almost 40 to 60,000 pounds in 3 to 5 years. And then if you have worked enough, like for 7 to 10 years, then you can get the senior salaries, that is almost 70,000 pounds plus. And that is for the manager, IT manager, like leader of the group and all.
So we see now essential skills for IT professional. As we going to learn IT skills, or we want to achieve IT professional, there are some important skills that we have to learn. So first one is a technical skill. In technical skills, there is the ability to learn the technical skills like programming, coding, networking, cloud platforms. We have to learn those skills, so we get the more IT professionals. Second one is the certifications. If we have a certificate of any company, just like a trusted companies, for example Microsoft, if we get the certificate of a Microsoft, we don't have a specific need to prove ourselves. When we add that certificate in resume, they just overlook it and they will get to know that we are able to do those work because we have a trusted company certificate. So the third one is the soft skill. As well as just we see technical skills are important. Like that, there are a necessary of a soft skills. In soft skills we see communication, problem solving, and teamwork. If we have a proper knowledge of soft skills, then we can able to perform or explain our problems, clear our thoughts. So there is necessary of have a proper knowledge of a soft skills. And third and last one is a continuous learning. As we see, there are many changes happening in our daily lives. IT field is growing continuously, so we have a need to learn many skills continuously. Learn many new things. Next slide we see pathways into IT, education and training. There are some ways to get the knowledge about IT field. First one is the university degrees. There are some university degrees like computer science, software engineer, information technology. These are the degrees where we have to learn about 3 to 4 years, and we will get a certificate of a degree as we completed a degree. Second one is the vocational courses. There are some courses that give us more knowledge in a less time. So they are maybe important for us. Instead of giving our 3-4 years for learning a specific course, we can do these courses and go in a IT profession. So these are apprenticeships, boot camps, online learning platforms. Third one is the entry level jobs. There are some companies who hire us after our schooling education for junior freshers. They provided some technical skills which through we will get to know how to perform or do our task instead of learning in colleges and then doing internship and then actually doing our job. They provide us that directly learn in their companies, so we can have a more performance. Last one is a graduate skills. There are some skills they provide as a graduation by doing those courses. That's from me.
Okay, so let's talk about emerging IT roles riding the wave of innovation. So there are many jobs in our IT industry. First one is talking about cybersecurity analyst. So we know how much cybersecurity is important as we are working in a digital world. So digital data needs a protection. So the main job or main role of cybersecurity analyst is to protect our digital data from hackers. So if we see the salary in India, like here it is in pound 60,000, but in India it is around 6 to 10 lakh per annum. Then the next one is cloud architect. So designing cloud-based infrastructure is also important to run our various applications and all. So if we talk about salary, in pounds it is 70,000, but in India it is around 6 to 15, 20 lakhs per annum. Then the next one is data scientist. So data scientist's main work is to analyze a big chunk of data to get the data insights of that. And if we talk about the salary in India, it is around 6 to 25 lakhs per annum. And the next one is AI/ML engineer. So we know that building very smart, very innovative and smart systems results in very nice applications or which we use in our real world. So just like thinking humans, so just that it is also like that. So if we talk about the salary about them, it is around 10 lakh per annum, starting from around 8 lakh per annum. And the next one is DevOps engineers. So it bridges the gap between the development and the operations which are performed in our field. So the salary for them is very high, quite high, around 25 lakh per annum. So this is in India. Next one is, now we are in the field of this industry is totally work on the networking system. So networking in IT, connecting with professionals, way more important to get more exposure to the industries and all. So first one is industry events. So many industries conduct various events to make their communication with the other industries and know about what they are actually doing and where they need our services as well. So many conferences, workshops, meetups are organized to learn and connect with each other. Then next one is online communities. So if we are here and we want to know about what is going across the globe, so there if we talk then there are many forums, social media groups and very professional networks are built by taking part in these groups and all. So next one is mentorship. So in any career related thing, so there we need a mentor to guide ourselves. So in that case, we also have experienced IT professionals who guide us to opt our career to go through our career journey. Then the last one is informational interviews. So the main thing is getting a face-to-face interaction is also important. So in that case, many informational interviews are conducted where we get to know the roles and career paths which we can perform or take up. So that's it from my side. See the graph.
So in short, there I have taken a graph analysis which shows that an IT employee how much he earns according to the years that he is working in a company. So for first year he is earning 25,000 pounds. Then when he is well experienced and with some certificates in his company, after 3 years he is having salary of 45,000 pounds, and after with very much experience and with very much certificates. He gets he gets 70,000 pounds. So as they are as they all presented here, IT industry has lots of job opportunities, varieties like cyber security, cloud computing, data analyst and software development. So as there are so many job opportunities, I have an example of which is my idol recently. You all know him, Mark Zuckerberg. He is my idol. As he was firstly, we all know what he is doing, and he is a co-founder of Facebook now, which is known as Meta. He was first just a normal teen like us. He just used to work, program, and make new projects in his teenage, in his college in Harvard. Then, because of his learning eagerty and his product thinking, we know where he is right now and what he is doing, and how much he earns and which company he is holding right now. So all this in so all this taking all this in our mind, we just know that upskilling ourselves and thinking and upskilling ourselves and making ourselves known to programming and building new products will make us will get our career a good path. Thank you.
So hello everyone, today we are going to talk about evolution of IT, how it all started, how it has changed over the years, and how today it has become one of the most powerful force which shapes our today's digital world. Introduction. Let's start with the definition. What is IT? IT or information technology is the use of computers or systems to manage or share data. Let's talk about early computing. Computing starts from thousands of years ago when people used abacus, tools like abacus or telemarks for computing and calculating. Then came the mechanical calculators. Invention of mechanical calculators was a significant achievement because it was very efficient for calculating. And then later in 1940 came the invention of computers, which changed everything. But the problem was computer was very large in size. One machine was of size of one room and it was filled with large vacuum tubes. So for those computers, we needed a way to tell them what to do. Then came the picture programming languages. The first programming languages were assembly languages, which were easy to understand for computers but not for humans. And then later, languages like COBOL and Fortran came into the picture, which were very human readable and make programming very easy. From 1970 to year 2000, there was very significant inventions such as microprocessors, internet, personal computers, which built the basic for today's modern computers. So that's my thought.
Now let's move on the growth of information technology. In growth of information technology, the computers were personalized from the institute level. The first major part of the growth of IT is the development of the internet. As we know how the internet evolved from 2 GB to 5 GB. Now it's become the digital era, due to which the access and sharing of information and data becomes easy. Emergence of personal computers. In 1980s, the personal computer have emerged, allowing the individuals and the school and the small business to run their to store their data by personalized. impact of software application. It plays a crucial role in our day-to-day life. Uh, the application of software is really essential in our life by making our work easy, by providing a creativity and enhanced sophisticated tools in businesses. It's enhance our productivity, creativity, and save the time. It's from my side.
Advancement in AI. Machine learning. Machine learning is a core subject in which we make new scenarios with using previous data. For example, when Netflix recommends you some shows and movies, it uses previous data that you watched. AI in everyday life. AI, artificial intelligence, where we use in our day-to-day life like ChatGPT, Gemini, Siri, which helps us to which helps humans to do work in an easy time. For example, we have narrow AI. There are three types of AI: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. In nowadays life, most of humans use narrow AI, which focuses on specific tasks, and general AI, which would perform any intellectual task a human can do, whereas super AI, which goes beyond human intelligence. Challenges and ethics. The rapid advancement of AI poses significant challenges, including data privacy, basis in algorithm, and job displacement. Ethical consideration and vital to ensure that AI technologies are developed responsibly, with a focus on fairness and accountability.
So my topic is in PPT presentation. My topic is quantum computing. So before going towards quantum computing, we should first understand what is quantum science or quantum mechanics. So quantum mechanics is the science or branch of science in which it studies the behavior of particles like proton and electron. So these are the tiny particles different than the other regular objects or particles. So if these particles have their own rules, like first rule is superposition. So talking about superposition, in superposition, quantum bits can have one and zero value at the same time. But as we take example of a regular classical bit, it can either take one value or zero value. Our next property is the entanglement. Suppose if there are two quantum bits, one quantum bit is linked with another quantum bit, so it can manipulate or can send signal to other quantum bit. And third property is interference, in which it can manipulate the other particle by sending the signal. So previous slide. So, potential application of quantum computing. Talking about this in cryptography, it can help us it can break any encryption, and it can make new encryption with better. The quantum computing is in early stage, but development is happening. Like in 2019, Google introduced its super quantum computer called quantum supermassive, which was outperforming the regular supercomputer in mathematical equations. Companies like IBM,
Microsoft and Google are building and testing their own supercomputers and quantum computers and testing, and they are willing to uh, make the quantum computer to use in their day-to-day life. Also, government and universities are heavily investing in quantum research to make these quantum computers for our day-to-day life. That's from my side.
So let's talk about the future of IT. Currently, each and every country is trying to fight for the technology. They are trying their best to develop their technologies and investing lakhs of money and crores of money in developing the technology. Prediction for IT innovation. Currently, the researchers have predicted that IT is going to boom, and the country which is going to be superpower will have the help of IT. So, the future of IT is expected to bring innovative like augmented and virtual reality. Currently, due to Meta, the people are turned towards the virtual reality and artificial intelligence. So, in this, the virtual world is being created, and in which we can actually interact with people as if they are standing in front of us. Next slide. Role of IT in society. So, as we know, each and every country is trying to develop its technology. So, role of IT in the perspective of a country is that the country which is going to be developed in future will totally take help of information technology and the new developments which is going to take place, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning. Currently, the militaries and ammunitions of the country are based on artificial intelligence. So, even if a missile has to be launched, it does not require any sort of locations or direction or any sort of area. We can directly target the missile, and it goes accordingly at a particular spot. Emerging technologies. Emerging technologies such as blockchain, Internet of Things, and 5G networks. Currently, as we know, the 5G technology has been recently introduced in India, and it's been used widely. And blockchain technology. As we know, cryptocurrency and the blockchain technology has made the transactions very much secure. And if further transactions will be taken in blockchain and cryptocurrency, I am damn sure that the transaction will be safe and the cases of fraud will be reduced. Conclusion. So, concluding our presentation, IT technology is very much useful and is a role-changing thing for a country. If a country is secured with information technology and has proper knowledge about the upcoming technologies and advancements, definitely the development of that country will take place. Thank you.